In front of me is Motorola Signature, and today I would like to show you how you can change and customize your keyboard theme. Begin by launching your keyboard and tapping on this icon of a color palette at the top of it. Then scroll down to tap on all of those icons at the top right corners, and this way see all available themes. When you check all of them, pick the best one for you. Let's go with this one. Manage keyboarders thanks to this switcher. And last but not least, tap on apply. As you can see, after a few seconds, theme of my keyboard has changed. To customize it though, go back to the same section in settings and use this plus icon under my themes. Now tap on a photo you wanna apply as your new keyboard's background. Pinch it to scale, drag it to move, and select next. Adjust brightness by swiping left or right. Hit done. Manage keyboarders and tap on apply. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!